I'm Anil Kumar Agarwal, a prestige member of the alemai. So we are organizing this event as we are having an ALUMEX 2025 September in Mandapam, Delhi from 10 to 13th of September. So this is basically a platform fighting against the tariffs by the US and all, wherein we are trying to portray to the people and to the government that we are self-sustainable and we have to just focus that the imports are not being done so that our industry can survive on its own. It is about the exports. If those people want our quality product, they will come and buy from us. But we have to just focus on our sustainability within India, Atmanirbhar Bharat. 10, 11, 12, 13th of September 2025, Delhi, Bharat Mandapam. Around 12,000 people are expected on that, and it's through a pre-registration, online pre-registration.
Today we came here, Hyderabad, for the campaign and the press meet for the ALUMEX India exhibition. ALUMEX India is the India's first ever aluminium extrusion section and profiles products exhibition in Delhi. This is the 10 to 13 September 2025 in hall number 6, Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. What we are showcasing and what we are messaging to the Indian importers who are importing aluminum profile and sections from various countries like China and other countries, we want to tell them, come and see our products. We are showcasing our Make in India products, support the Indian industries, support the Make in India and make the India Atmanirbhar Bharat. How we can fight this tariff war due to, and we have to increase our domestic consumption and we have to block the imports from the other countries to the India. That then we could help the MSME to increase the production. And this is the vision and reason for this exhibition, that India is capable to make every kind of quality and products in India. Come and see our products, showcase our. If you have any inquiry, there is a in this forum, in ALUMEX India 2025 exhibition, all decision makers, technicians of Indian producers are there. Come and meet us and help India to grow, to restrict, to block, to stop the imports of the material in India. This is the first edition. We are the 2-year-old association and we are coming with first edition and we will announce second edition shortly. So exhibition dates are 10 to 13 September 2025 in New Delhi, Pragati Maidan, hall number 6. Registration are online. www.alumexindia.org is our website. There you can go the online registration, free for 15th August. After that we will take some fees. This is free for all stakeholders.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.